Episode 6. Oh yeah, the big ramp.
Well, this is what happens when you put me in my...
Where's Melon? I don't know. Well, wait, well, never mind. Well, I just started being tiny, so I can be tiny all I want. Hey guys! Wait, is that Melon? Hey guys! Oh shoot. Hey guys! Is that you, Melon? Yeah! And today I'm gonna be riding on a scooter! And remember, if you have a ramp at home, don't try this at home. Let's get started!
It's in that box up there. Oh, wow.
Here we go!
Let's catch it up there. No, don't worry about it. Are you serious?
And look at him go!
No.
Whoa! Whoa! Here we go!
I need you to take your clothes off. And I want you to run to
Here
that
we
hill
go!
back there. Run to that hill back there in your underwear and do a snow angel. Make a snow angel. Well, then you better do it quickly so I can let you back in. Well, he's actually doing it. Oh, he did.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh no!
Nice.
Be careful, Melon! Wait! If you have a scooter at home, remember kids, if you try this at home, if you try this at home with your scooter, don't do it because it can easily get you injured or something. So if you have a ramp at home with your scooter, don't try it at home because it can easily get you injured. So remember kids, don't try it at home. Ah!
You wanted to shake on the deal. You didn't even do a snow angel. Huh.
Oh no, Melon's injured! Melon's injured! Get with the scooter! Ow! Oh! Guys, somebody help us! Dragon, throw away the scooter! Wait, throw away the scooter? Okay. Throws away the scooter. What happened to Melon? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wait! Oh! Run! No! Go give me the needle. Here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, healing back to normal. I don't need you anymore. Thanks for healing me back to normal. You're welcome, but what happened? I was riding this scooter so fast. It was like so cool. Yeah, but Dragon just throw away your scooter. Wait, what? Where's my scooter? Your scooter is here, y'all. Your scooter is here. I want to go back to the start and try again. Wait, don't try again. I don't care if I get injured. He never listens. No. Dragon never listens. What did I do? You throw away his scooter. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna ride this scooter. Don't, Melon. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Dun, 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 Wait. Wait. Okay, wait. I don't know where to wait. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, finish. Oh, there's a rep over there. I'm gonna jump over it. Wait. Wait, whatever. I'm doing a bottle flash. He is easily gonna get injured. Oopsie daisy. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Let me get one of those rides. And move away. Ow! Ow! Move away so I can try to ride that bike. Don't try to ride it. Alright. I don't care if I get injured. Well, I'm gonna see you get injured. Okay, I'm gonna get a ride to see what Melon's yapping about. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Okay, let me stop saying that. Okay. Let's go! Come on, go! Woo! Alright, here we go. And why do they move that rim to get the perfect view? I don't think this will work to just straight out. Boom! Wow! Wait! Wait. Maybe that was a pretty bad idea. Yeah, but hold on this now. The end.